Go.
Hey, I am so excited. I just got in the package with my new books. So I'm going to open that, and this is my book number 9. And my mother and some friends have already have it in Buenos Aires. But this is going to be my first time that I open this and I can see the book at home. So I'm going to do this in English and Spanish because the book is in Spanish. So, estoy abriendo mi libro, estoy bien, muy contento, muy excited. Este es mi libro número 9 que escribo, pero es el tercer libro que escribo como autor solamente. Los otros son compartidos. Este lo hice yo solo, obviamente con la participación y colaboración de otras personas que me dieron feedback y me ayudaron, pero soy el único autor, es mi tercer libro que escribo solo y el libro número 9. So this is the first time that I am writing a book on leadership. All of my other books are related to coaching. So this is really difficult to open. Trying to open. And I got a lot of books at home in Argentina, but here in Los Angeles, I got a couple. So this is not going to be pretty. I think I have to open like this. Okay, here we go. Oh, a lot of paper. Oh, a lot of paper. Here, sending 2 books. This is the way that it looks like my books finally in my hand. You know, the whole process of choosing the cover and the looks, and it looks really nice. And Marcia, you were asking me how many pages. This is 200 pages. So not so bad, and I hope that you can get it. So, para mis colegas en Argentina y Latinoamérica que hablan español, les recomiendo el libro. Es un libro que escribí por varios años, me llevó a terminarlo, y es sobre liderazgo. Y es el libro que yo uso para entrenar líderes en organizaciones con habilidades de coaching. El libro se enfoca en habilidades de coaching para líderes. Entonces lo pueden usar los coaches cuando le están haciendo coaching a sus clientes que son líderes, o para los líderes en programas de entrenamiento. So this book is focused on leadership skills, but the focus is on coaching skills for leaders. So I developed this book, and it's being translated and hope soon available in English. It's about how to develop coaching skills for leaders, and also to be used as a manual for training leaders on coaching skills. So thank you for watching. I am so excited. I hope that you can get it. So for the people who speak Spanish, espero que lo puedan conseguir, leerlo y que me den su feedback.